we do that? Okay? So teachers, dito po sa tools bar po natin, pupunta po tayo sa assignments. Click assign. Dito po sa assign content, dito po sa kaunang filter, we will choose our foundation scores or for other subject areas, the previous grade level. Ito po yung ang pre-test natin. Ang pre-test po, ang tawag po doon is course challenge. Okay? So yet you please familiarize yourself with the name, course challenge. Ito po ang pre-test and post-test po natin. And iisa lang po siya per module. So for our foundation scores, ito na po yan. Teachers, sobrang dali lang po mag-assign ng content. Ito pong content na to good for 45 minutes to 1 hour na to. But to set this up, teachers, it will take 1 minute, no? Kailangan lang pong gawin is click, check, assign, and then, pili na po kayo ng start date, start time, due date, due time. So, ang pwede niyo pong gawin, kung paano academy time niyo po is tomorrow, Thursday, and magpa-pre-test po kayo, you can set it for the start of Khan Academy time, let's say at 7:30 a.m., and then it can end at the end of Khan Academy time. Let's say it's at 8:50 a.m. Saktong-sakto. And I can schedule it as easy as that. Ano yun? Naka-schedule na po